Hi, I'm Mike
And I'm Molly.
with Virtuoso Builders here in San Antonio, Texas, and welcome to another edition of
Remodel Your Thinking. So today we're going to talk about islands, and not the type of island that I would like to be on right now.
Nope.
Like in Grand Cayman or something. Wink,
Nope.
wink, wink. We're talking about kitchen islands. So a kitchen island in a remodel is fabulous. It offers a lot of increased functionality, everything from additional storage to an added work zone. There is so much potential when you add an island into your kitchen. So today we're going to give you some tips on how to do just that, adding a kitchen island into your remodel.
So, item number one on kitchen islands has to do with the clearance around the island. It's not like there's a code about how much clearance you should have between the island and the surrounding cabinets or a wall, but 36 inches is really about the minimum you can go. With us, we prefer 42 inches and even above. That allows for two people to be able to walk by each other, not bump into each other. And also you can open an oven or refrigerator so that you're just not hitting your backside on the cabinet behind you. So really 42 inches all the way around the island is about the minimum clearance you really should have. So the second advantage to an island in the kitchen is it acts as an additional work center. So you can have a sink, faucet, microwave drawer, beverage refrigerator, dishwasher. So it really is just an additional workspace where a lot of things can be put and utilized. You can even have it positioned so that you can look out into the rest of the room or the house while you're working in the kitchen.
The third tip on kitchen islands that is my personal favorite is extra seating. So we like to entertain and we want everybody to be able to have a seat and spread out a little bit. When you have extra seating on your island, it can be on one level and you're working while your guests are also seated. So that is nice because you're all together and it's a great gathering spot. It doesn't necessarily have to be just that. We've done where you actually have a built-in table. It could be a drop-down table where there's seating. We've also done it where it's a long extension. So you've got your island where you're working and then a table, which is part of the island off of the long run. So there's a lot of ways that you can do it. And it offers some really great gathering space so not everybody's all over
Each other.
the place. Another tip we want to share with you on kitchen islands is the island being the focal point of the kitchen. And the way to achieve that is maybe everything isn't all the same. So all your cabinets are exactly the same, including the island. The island could be a different color, where your outer perimeter cabinets are a stain and then you paint the island. Or it's the other way around where your island is stained and then your perimeter cabinets are painted. Or maybe they're all painted and you just paint the island a different color. Another option is the countertop. You can change out the countertop to make it different than the rest of all of the outlying cabinet countertops, and it looks beautiful. At the end of the day, you just do whatever makes you happy, but there are a lot of options.
So the fifth tip of the day for islands is to hire a qualified contractor who has a qualified team of trades, who knows what they're doing and understands design, because it can get complicated when you're talking about an island in terms of all the stuff that's required. Of course, it's not bad if they've been in business for 25 years and maybe have, 40 awards or so.
55.
55 awards.
So choose carefully, choose wisely. Thanks for joining us on another episode of Remodel Your Thinking, and we hope you learned something about the world of remodeling and have a good takeaway for your next remodel. So please share with your friends and your family, and if you like the video, of course, we love our likes. So we would appreciate that. And we'll see you next time on the next episode of
Remodel Your
Thinking.
Thinking.